Well, the heat is sticking around through tomorrow.
Could
Yes.
bring with it more storms like today, though, right, Kevin?
Maybe a little bit. I think we have a chance again in the same area, central eastern North Dakota, not looking for much farther toward the west, which is not good because things are really burning up out across Montana and western North Dakota. What a sky, though, in Bismarck, 99 degrees. We're dropping a few degrees now with that canopy of cloud cover, but mammatus clouds spreading toward the northeast. We can even see some rain showers off in the distance, camera pointed toward the southwest overlooking the Missouri River from Bismarck State College. We can look in the general direction of those thunderstorms here. And again, we've got that warning for Hettinger and Grant counties here. With this storm is showing some signs of weakening, but it might be pulsing. It might be weakening now, but it might be redeveloping too. But we have that warning till 6:30 Central Daylight Time. It is the only warning at the moment in North Dakota. But I've got this area outlined, including Mandan and Bismarck, for the potential for thunderstorms developing. We've already got lightning strikes detected here around Baldwin in Burley County, north of Bismarck here. And again, I think this is all going to be filling in. You're going to keep an eye on this. It may not be a solid line, but these thunderstorms that are forming here could become severe. And that's a matter of time over the next, let's say, 1 hour. Non-severe showers back through the Mondack region, including areas just north of Williston here, Williams County. A couple of lightning strikes, but I don't foresee severe weather. There's just simply not enough moisture for that. Severe thunderstorm watch prevails. It's a big one all the way from Nebraska here into southern portions of North Dakota. With those storms continuing to develop here, Storm Prediction Center really has the area outlined for the highest risk for severe weather. And again, that does include Beulah, Bismarck, Mandan, McIntosh, down into most of South Dakota, again into Nebraska. The threat for large and damaging hail, again, don't let your guard down. The hatched area here, that includes areas just south of Lake Sakakawea, again along the I-94 corridor. We've already had reports of large and damaging hail in the Hettinger area here. And again, with that storm around Mott with golf ball size hail. So this threat continues for the next few hours here. And right now, we continue with that heat advisory until 9 o'clock with that heat index upwards of 105 and that very moist air. But it's just the opposite here for those of you in Montana and far western North Dakota. Even though we don't have an advisory there, we do in Montana, a heat advisory, but we have a red flag warning because it's also so very dry. And again, fire weather concerns ramping up and critical fire weather here until early tomorrow morning. Look at the dew point, really telling you the story here, or rather humidity, I should say, 13%, desert dry air, including Williston at 15%, a lot more soupy in central and eastern North Dakota. So we can definitely feel it here. Bismarck 99, chances for thunderstorms ramping up. When we have dew points in the 60s and 70s, that means significant amounts of atmospheric fuel for these thunderstorms to continue. The wind not too strong, but as storms get going, we might have some gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. Tomorrow, back in the thick of things here as far as the air, once again, central eastern North Dakota, while farther west may not be as hot, but the chance for rain quite dismal. That's unfortunate because crops need a definite drink out there. What we don't want anywhere is severe weather, and the main threat tonight, large and damaging hail. We'll keep you up to date.
Definitely don't want that.
That's right.
All right, we'll be back with sports after this.